This is a 2004 Nissan Sentra, and here's the running light module right next to your left foot on the driver's side. And here's the cover. It's got one nut there. One of the high beams don't work on my running lights, so I disconnected this one to see the board inside, see which one it was. So right now, yeah. But if you trace these wires, they should go up to the headlights. But I gotta unplug it and open up that case, see if there's any burnt lines in there. I'm just breaking the tabs, or the black plastic. There's 2, 3, 4. I don't know if it's glued in on the sides or what. It's got to be some sort of seal right there. Still not coming out of there. Oh, a little bit. There it is. Just marked it here and there. Yeah, it's got a little rubber ring around it. So much for that. Now I gotta look through with the magnifying glass to have a look here, see if there's any cold solder joints on there. This one here has a cold solder joint. I'll see if I can put the magnifying glass on there and can see that. See it there? It's black. So I gotta retouch that one, and then I'm gonna check some other ones. It's this one. I got everything ready to set up, got my solder gun on. I'm going to touch up all these other ones too, where the connection of the wire goes. Because the one that's burnt here, which is this relay, and there's another one right there with a cold solder joint, so I might as well just do them all. I did them all. All the big lines. Go back to the car and plug it in. I'll probably have to put some I don't know, silicone there or something, so that, you know, dust or something gets in there, or maybe even more. I took this apart because only one of my high beams were working and my running lights were working. So when I plug it in, I'll know exactly what I fixed. Then both high beams should work and the running lights. See, the module sits in there like that, and you just take this cover off. Got one bolt there. You loosen this off, and there's a clip right here, there, which is on the inside underneath this piece. And there's the module. Pull it off, and push in this little tab and pull it out. And also there's two other places. There's two places where there's headlight fuses, which is in here, up in there. I'll tell you the location of those two fuses for the headlights. 39 and 40. And also under the hood there's another place where there's headlight fuses also. I'll show you that. Well, I just checked my high beams and both sides are working now, left and right. So that was definitely the cold solder joint. Now I just start the car up and see if I have running lights now. Well, it appears I fixed the running lights also. They're on very dim. And we'll go to the other side. And the running light is dim there too. Good. Got it all fixed. Usually on top there's a schematic. There isn't. So I looked on the internet and I drew a little picture. But I'll show you where the two fuses are. This one and the next one. These two, the first two. Sits in there like that. And just put the cover on. Besides the bolt, you got this little clip here too. That goes back into there.